Some shocking videos circulating on social media tonight show some Harvey residents boarded up into their own apartments as crews tried to close up a condemned building. They are able to open their doors once again, but there are questions tonight about how this happened exactly. CBS 2's Sarah Maki is looking into it for us tonight.
These are the boards that went up on the units at this apartment complex. Some of those units unoccupied at the time, but some, like this one, still had residents inside. Here, it was a mother and her 2 young kids. Using whatever tools they can find, a community activist breaks down the boards on this Harvey apartment complex, searching for anybody who might be trapped inside. Ultimately, there is nobody in this unit, but it's a panic that community members have felt for the last 24 hours.
There's still people in these apartments.
Rudolph Williams shows us the handles to his screen door, broken off by construction crews as they boarded up his apartment Friday afternoon. The 73-year-old unaware he was being trapped inside.
I'm used to the noise when they starting to do some construction some type. Didn't pay really that much attention. After a while, I sort of drowned it out, you know.
Yeah, this man been boarded up inside this apartment.
Williams's nephew capturing these videos from the other side, showing crews ignoring their pleas to take the boards down, telling them of the people trapped inside.
They walked right past me. I said, can y'all come aboard this window? There's a person inside it. He just looked at me and kept on walking.
And I had to push my kids out the window, and like right now, my son he's scraped up. My little one, his face scraped up. It's kind of bad.
We talked with another resident, Aces Price, who didn't want to be on camera, but says she was asleep when the boards went up, escaping their ground floor apartment through a back window. Both Price and Williams tell us they used Section 8 vouchers and had already paid their rent for the month.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
We tried calling the building's owner, RFN, but got a voicemail message. Harvey police tell us the city has been contacting building owners since October about unsafe conditions, specifically referencing this collapsed stairwell. Harvey police acknowledge nobody was evicted prior to the boards going up, saying property owners boarded up the complex while their officers performed several inspections and wellness checks at the property.
This should never have happened and should never happen again.
Residents tell us they would like to move out, but some of them don't have a place to go or the money to do so. So they say for right now, they're staying put. In Harvey, Sarah Maki, CBS 2 News.
Sarah, thanks. As you saw in her piece, she reached out to the building's owner. We reached out also to the city and several leaders there in Harvey. We have not yet heard back. We'll let you know when we do.